Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your Google Chrome. Now search for discord.com. Here you can see download for Windows. You have to press on it. After downloading this, you have to press on run. So this is how you can download your Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.